What's going on, family, man? I gotta show you this, man. I just got this in, man. I appreciate my all screwed up click. Came up, man, with a original tape deck that you can also plug inside with a USB. Got the USB cord. I'm listening to some screwed up, man. I appreciate, man, y'all for sending this to me. Salute to the screwed up click, man. It was a most definitely great surprise. Come in the box, check it out. It's pretty neat, huh? Look like a tape deck. This is dope, man. This is dope. Got sent this in from Texas. Man, I appreciate it. Salute, man. You know, I'm a hip-hop head, man. Hog on us, appreciate it. You know, we all about the hip-hop, so, you know what I mean? Teaching people their independence and based around our culture, our welding and hip-hop, man. I'm all about that, man. So I appreciate it. We got a poster. I'm going to have to put my poster up, my all screwed up poster. I'll most definitely have to put that up. Wish I could show y'all, but it's pretty. There it go. I can't wait, man, to post it, man. Man, I appreciate it, man. Love. I like the package, everything that came in it. Check it out.
What's up, nigga?
It's pretty neat, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man. So it's pretty neat. Check it out. So that's pretty neat, man. I'm excited, man. It's pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. So I appreciate this gift, man. Around this time of the year, man. You know, like I say, you know, I believe in hip hop, so it's well in hip hop. So for me to get a tape deck in the mail with some screwed up from the screwed up click, come on, man. This is big, man. This is big, man. You know, I'm from Arkansas, born in Little Rock, so you know, we rock that screw. You know what I mean? So, hey, man, I appreciate that, man. Thanks, man. Once again, man, I appreciate it. Man. Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now, man. Hey, man, this is neat. This is neat. Check it out.